you see that as a marketplace, you have to tie up with the agency which are into funding actually, like NBFCs, HFCs and banks. Why they should collaborate with you? Because they already have their own branches, they have their own system of, and they have everything basically. So why they're coming to collaborate with the partners like you actually?
So my belief on this, and it's not my belief, it's how it is seen. Earlier, NBFC will look at fintech as a competition. Now, what we've seen in the last 3 years, they are the biggest ally, and a lot of fintech fire based on NBFC tie-up. And this is how NBFC has been also been able to take their story ahead. You're talking about maybe a segment which is very small, wherein NBFC has the tech capability of actually receding into, and the dispersion is so high that they can cover multiple cities, multiple states, and so on and so forth. But that largely, if you see it and you look at any new concept, whether it is on the credit card or the insurance or financial products or even personal loan, you will find that some NBFC is firing a fintech or a fintech firing the NBFC. There are alliance of sorts, more cases of alliance than competition. So to answer your question more specifically here, I think home loan is not a product which every NBFC can do it. It's largely in the bastion of private and public sector bank. If you were to look at only the volume and do a cut on the percentages, you'll find about 80%, 90% is really concentrated in that space. NBFC is doing incredible amount of work there, and they're picking up certain segments where they think they can do a much smarter credit call, and hence they sort of want to lead there. But whatever being said, in a prime brand, whether it is a bank or a private sector or an NBFC, whatever work done on the digital is more inward than outward, and it's more native. So when a large private sector or an NBFC go out in the market to acquire a customer, they talk about only their products. Whereas a easy loan kind of platform brings all those digital synergies together and talk about the magnitude and the multiplicity of offers. We talk 20 lender option to our customer, and eventually customer will either go to 5 digitally powered NBFCs or banks or so on and so forth, or they can come to a marketplace. Essentially, we are nothing but a front end. We do some work in terms of discovery of customer, processing the profile and matching the lender, and eventually give it to lenders. We don't do it. So it's really doing the work for a lender. So we are extremely strong companion. Can we exist without NBFCs or a bank or a lending institution? No, there's no use case for us. We only enable. We are the funnel. They are the benefactor of that. We get paid for doing this business or whatever it is. That said, we are complementing in our business, and there's no competition of sorts. Why will they come to us? Because this is how they will engage with a digital customer. This is how they will get the lead generation. This is how they will get the entire sanctioned with along with the analysis and documentation for the customer in a very 90% conversion ratio kind of customer base, near 100% converted customer into their pipeline.